With matters of the law, and the Law Society of Kenya has vowed to fight for the independence of the judiciary and ensure that both the executive and parliament comply with all the court orders. The lawyers during countrywide demonstrations held on Friday have condemned the onslaught on judiciary by President William Ruto, terming it as a violation of the constitution. Martin Wangi reports.
The Law Society of Kenya took to the streets on Friday morning, demanding that President William Ruto fully complies with the rule of law. This follows the president's sustained attacks on the judiciary, vowing to deal with what he refers to as corrupt judges, as well as the executive disregarding some court orders. The Law Society says it will do everything possible to ensure that the president and the executive complies with all the court orders.
We are aware that the president has issued threats and has said that mambo ni matatu. We want to assure him that for all those options, we are prepared to take those options in defense of our constitution.
Yes.
LSK has also warned the parliament against initiating public participation process on the housing levy fund, whereas the matter is still before the court, threatening to take action against anyone who takes on such a process.
Those actions by parliament, we want to warn, if they are undertaken, would be an illegal venture. And we are going to initiate proceedings to surcharge anyone in parliament who will authorize the public participation forums to proceed when there is a court order stopping that process.
Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka, who also took part in the demonstrations, urged the judiciary not to be intimidated or influenced by anyone to make decisions in their favor, but to stick to the rule of law.
If Kenya gets it wrong and we allow a situation where judges will be intimidated into issuing orders that just favor the executive, then we have lost it.
The demonstrations also took part in many parts of the country, including Mombasa, Siaya, and western regions, with members of the bar urging the president to respect the independence of the judiciary and follow the right procedure if he has any complaints against any judicial officer.
If the president or anybody in the executive feels that the courts are issuing orders that are not proper, they have channels through which they can challenge those orders. And if there is need or feeling that any member of the judiciary does not live up to the oath of their office, there are proper channels or elaborate provided within the law upon which such judges or magistrates can be removed from office.
Meanwhile, some UDA leaders from Mount Kenya region have condemned the LSK protests, vowing to fight corruption in all government institutions.
Tukimaliza na mahakama kupigana na ufisadi, tunakuja kwa mawakili. Tunakuja kwa mawakili wale wote ambao wanatusimamia.
Deputy leader of opposition cannot be in your demonstrations. Ati yeye ndiye anawaambia mfanye maandamano. Raila ndiye anawaambia mfanye maandamano. The Law Society of Kenya must be independent to serve all Kenyans.
Martin Mwangi, NTV.